in here? Some little jewelry. It's another rosary. I'm finding rosaries everywhere today. It says Italy. It's pretty. I feel like there's another one in here too. I'm not sure how much their little jewelries are. Doesn't say. Go out here. Look at these tables. All these penguins. Somebody liked penguins. Is this one an old world? It says made in Germany.
$2?
There's glass.
$2?
I'm not sure how much he is. Nothing's priced here. Alright, he's plastic. Oh my, here's another one. That's kind of cute. It says he's made in... It says made in Germany too. He's kind of neat.
Oh my. You hit the penguin jackpot.
Is this Old World Christmas? It's marked Germany.
Yeah, they usually have the star on the top.
I don't know how much anything is. I want to look up this guy. He's kind of interesting. Kind of just like him. The way his little head bobbles. I'm not sure how much this stuff is, but we'll find out. Here's a bigger penguin. His top doesn't look the exact. It does say Germany too. His toppers. Is that loose? No, that's not loose. I could put them together, right? Put the little penguins together. That's what I'll do. Okay, dokes. I think I have my hands full now. Ooh, a hibachi. But see, what's in this box? I need to know what's in this box. Okay, it really is a butterfly garden. There's some, like, obviously this is newer? Or is it old? Or is it made to look old? I'm assuming it's made to look old. It says Antique Tinsel Garden, Lancaster Market. Yeah, made to look old. But that's still really cute. I like it. I'll buy that.
They had it to work, just they didn't have anyone with alcohol to see if it actually registered alcohol rate.
Right.
Last yard sale I found these. These are still sealed. Barbie Laser Blazer stickers. I don't know, they were 50 cents. They brought back memories, so I decided to just pick them up. They're from 1983. See if Eric's finding anything over here. I got some vintage Barbie holographic stickers. What's over here? Some fishing stuff. Musky lures. I say that like I know what a musky lure is.
Muskies get pretty good.
Brownie pan. I could go for a brownie right now. This is Temptations something or other. What's in here? Chamomile tea. Yum, yum, yum. Over the hill. At what age do they consider over the hill? Does anybody know? Oh, look at these. They're nice. I love me a nice deck. 15. I like this one. It's 15. Definitely looks like he was signed at some point, but I can't read it. This one says, "Thanks for your help this summer." Must have been a gift. Gift of a duck. This is pretty. Little compote. $15.
That's probably valid. Instagram.
And then this little opalescent. It's $10 hobnail. Alrighties. Oh my gosh, I just saw this. This was up in East Berlin's yard sale. Because I remember I saw it and I was like, bless you, when I saw it. I thought it was so cute. I've come across it again. Maybe next time I'll actually buy it. It's like 25 cents each or 3 for all. They're like little walnut ornaments, but they have the cutest vintage little figures inside. Alright, I'm definitely gonna take those. Those are so cute. What else do we have? It's a little like lucite egg on a pedestal. This is a weird looking sheep.
Is it lucite?
Or is that plastic? I don't know.
It's hard to tell.
It is hard to tell sometimes. Little lassie dog. Okay, well I definitely want that.
Is it like on the whole tray?
I'm guessing it's the whole...
3 for all?
Yeah, I just want all.
So, these little guys, I take them off the tray.
Yeah, you
Like,
take them off the
she was
tray.
gonna take
You
them
want
off.
them in a bag? Or they're... Bring it over here.
I think I'm gonna get this too. This is a display for calico kittens. There's no kittens,
Do
but...
you want the tray? Is that what you said? Do you want them off the tray or do you want...
Did
Oh,
you want the tray?
it doesn't matter. I didn't know if
She
the
just
tray...
wanted the ornaments
Yeah, I
and
didn't know
stuff.
if the tray went with them or
You
not.
can have it if you want it.
Oh, it's okay.
Do you want the tray?
Sure.
Okay, you don't want
Oh, well,
she
what-
says yes. Go, take it. You better... He says get it out of
Yeah,
here.
it's
She wants it.
Just give me the tray. Is that what you said? Is that what you're deciding on? Okay, all right. Got it. Okay, so that's $3.
Some books. What we got over here? Folk art silverware box. That is nice. Will you open that for me, Eric?
I think there's
I know it's
nothing in there.
empty, but I just wanted to see what the inside looked like. Oh, that's gorgeous, though.
It's for Holmes and Edwards.
That's nice. For $3.
That's fits in Florida.
Do you have the calico kitties to go with that?
I don't, but maybe I'll find some at yard sales. That is so cute. It's a little yarn ball holder. Did you look at that or no?
That's about $10.
Oh, look at this.
I know,
For
condition's gonna
10.
matter on that one, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't really know how much more we could put on it. They have 10.
What is that? The Fire King. Is that the one? I thought it was hearts.
Eric says this is Viking glass, so we'll take that for $3. And I'm going to decide if we're gonna get that or not. I saw this witchy poo in the Facebook advertisement for this yard sale, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. It's $3. I'm not sure who made it, but it's pretty wild. I love it. So I'm gonna take that. See what else we can find. What is in here? It's like old hankies or something. Yeah, it's a bag of old kids' hankies. They're actually kind of cute. I think they want $3 for the bag. I might grab those too. Not sure what that noise was. This tree. Oh, wow, I didn't even see this little moon ornament. That is really cute for a quarter. That's Kurt Adler. Love the fact that it's a moon, so I'm gonna get that too. Alright, let's see what all else is out here.
Tomorrow we're going to fill the tables. Friday and Saturday we're going to keep bringing it out.
This sold too?
And
Yeah,
well,
this sold. Yep.
you know,
It's pretty wild. The advertisement said no early birds, but yet you roll up into the sale early and there's like 800 people. Wow, check out these. And these bug spiders. Looks like they're $5.
They work for you, stuff $1 fix for me. Might pop out tomorrow.
Thank you.
I don't like to sell time. Yeah, I know. No, I don't.
70 more, so.
Next weekend, tomorrow, yeah.
Yes, so stop by.
I'll come back.
Okay. That's another one, because I did, okay. Gotcha.
Some old balls.
Okay. Thank you.
Honey, do you know what that is?
I'm assuming it's for quilts.
It's a paperweight.
That's my assumption. That's all I've ever known.
Did you want this or no?
That's what I thought. I just
Not
wanted
for
to get a second opinion.
Eric says not for $4.
My knowledge
What did
is
you
like
find?
a little
Do you
bit
want
of
to share?
I can't say I'm well versed in it.
Hey, whatever works.
Little.
Know a little bit, but know it all, right? You don't have to buy it if I see it reasonably.
Said you wanted that, right?
Yeah, how much is on it?
$1.
$1, yeah.
It's a Halloween card.
Yeah.
Then there's an actual.
Oh, nice. 10.
It's up to you.
Yeah, we'll take it.
That rolling pin is $35.
Oh, is it? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this funny little cup. What is it supposed to be?
I just noticed this Jeep sign back there. That's nice.
You like your signs, don't you?
Oh, I like the sign.
It's
That's
not
another one, it's
in
up
very
to you.
good condition. How much is that one?
That one's only $5.
That's up to you. I'm not feeling the print as much, but that just because I'm not feeling it doesn't mean other people wouldn't. These rolling pins, the false craft nature wood, what'd you say they have on that, Eric?
35.
35. They're worth about 49, I'd say. So I'm not getting that though. Is there anything wrong with him? He's really cool.
That's what I saw.
I might pick him up.
And tall. Like I always be buying them.
Found one of those McCoy pumpkin guys. I think we do still have one listed, but we've sold all the other ones we've gotten. He was $1. Bring on Halloween! Eric picked up some poor deer feet hooks.
Gotta use every part. People use them for coat racks, rifle racks.
They were 10 a piece. Lady said her uncle made them back in the 60s. They also had the deer's head that
sold
it
them?
came from.
Yeah.
That was mounted as well. Yeah, we have sold deer.
Yeah, I think they went for about $60, something like that.
Was it the lamp with the deer
No.
feet? I don't remember now.
It was this, but it was a cut, so you could like
Oh, okay.
adjust it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They each had a mount, so you can make it as wide as you wanted to.
Alrighty.
But that was what, 20 for the pair?
Yeah. I did just pick up this vintage Halloween book. You guys know I like picking up the vintage Halloween kids books. I'm obviously not selling this, but if I were to sell it, I could probably get like $28 for it. So it's pretty desirable. $1. Yeah, that's not $100. That's $1.
Oh, I didn't see the price tag on it.